NAR India Past President Mr. Ravi Verma, EAP and NAR India Vice President Mr. Kishan, EAP Vice President Mr. Prakash, Secretary Mr. Khalid, NAR India Technology Committee Chairman and NAR India 3rd Annual Convention Chairman Mr. Shailendra, EAP Office Bearers, Committee Members and dear members. Just now, your President said, we have given a warm welcome in Chennai. It says, every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. We were here in Pune for the first convention. We learned from Pune that how to conduct a convention. Even after going back from Pune, we were wondering how we are going to conduct the 2nd Annual Convention in Chennai. Thanks to Ravi and Kishan for the support given to us and encouragement given to us. We could, with all of your support, we could do it in a very grand way. Thank you very much, EAP, for giving inspiration. Friends, I always feel home whenever I come to Pune, especially to meet EAP members. I am very proud to say that EAP is one of the most performing, matured and very well organized association in the country in terms of its strength, finance, programs, leadership and hospitality. EAP is the only association to obtain ISO 9001-2000 certification. EAP is on the top of the list as far as its contributions towards NAR India, be it on fundraising, membership trade, legal advice, so on. I take this opportunity to thank Mr. Ravi Verma, Mr. Kishan for their contribution towards NAR India and its growth. As the chairman of membership committee, Mr. Ravi Verma helped us sign 7 city associations in the last few months. Both Ravi and Kishan were always available on phone for any clarifications, and if I had to have any clarification, they are always on the phone with me. Friends, within a short period of 3 years, NAR India has grown from 7 city associations to 16 city associations. That is almost around 1,200 members pan-India. Ours is the fastest growing real estate agents association in the world. We could not have achieved this goal without your support. We used to get trainers from US to train our members. Now the things has changed. We have trainers within ourselves started training for educational programs. Strength in numbers is important for an association. At the same time, members should also financially strong. Friends, a lot of our members within our associations are not doing well in their field. We have to identify them, help and guide them to improve their business. Networking is the only way to improve our business today. We are all talking about it. Actually, how many of us are using that opportunity? Very few. This is one another area we have to improve. This will happen only through frequent interaction and meetings. So I request your president to have a joint meeting with Area, Smart and Thane from Mumbai and Nasik, so that to do the business among ourselves, we'll have to create a trust within ourselves. To create a trust within ourselves, we don't do with the phone calls, we don't do once in a year if you meet somewhere in a common convention also. That will not happen. Unless and otherwise we meet frequently, we will not be able to build the trust. Once the trust is built, then we can always do business with each other. So since doing business, business with each other, and that will help us grow. I am very happy to note that most of you are attending the NAR India convention to be held in Hyderabad in July. Friends, this is again an opportunity to meet your fellow members and network each other. So I request every member to participate in the upcoming convention. Mr. Shailendra is here. He is the convention chairman for the 3rd annual convention. He will give you more details about that. I wish all the EAP members for their 25th anniversary of your association to be celebrated later this year. Come, let us all together grow our association. stronger. Thank you very much.